Meaning of disuse.
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 Disuse. The term disuse refers to the state of something being unused or neglected. When an object, skill, or behavior is left in a state of disuse, it may gradually deteriorate or become less effective over time. In the field of biology, the principle of disuse suggests that organs or body parts that are not regularly used may eventually shrink or disappear altogether. Disuse can therefore have negative consequences, especially if it involves critical functions or abilities that are essential for survival or performance.